Hello, I'm an elf from Iceland and my name is Gjóska. I live in a rock and some people don't believe in me, but many people do. Some people leave offerings for me like wine, bread, and jewelry. Me and my family love picking flowers in the summer. We also love playing music. I am 247 years old, which is very young in elf years. I'm one of 6 children. My parents are 550 years old, and their names are Benedict and Hildur. My sister's name is Freya. Thank you for listening.
Hi, my name is Freya. I'm an elf. I live in a small house in the mountains. My family lives with me in the house. Their name is Benedict, Hildur, and my sister's name is Gjóska.